What if you could tell exactly when your baby needs you? What if technology could provide you with essential information about your baby's well-being, so that you could protect your baby if he's ever in distress, helping you intervene in time, enhancing your decision-making, keeping your family safe and sound? If technology could do all of these, it would be something far more valuable. It would be a brand new connection with your baby. At Babysense, we've transformed technology into powerful information giving you peace of mind. We've created an accurate movement monitor that alerts you if movements stop or become irregularly slow. The responsibility is enormous, but the opportunity to make a difference is even more so. This is our mission. Babysense, the original non-contact baby movement monitor.